Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Roblox. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the official Roblox website. If you are new, you will need to create a free account by providing a username, password, and birth date. Existing players can simply log in using their established credentials. Make sure your computer or mobile device meets the basic system requirements for a smooth experience, typically requiring at least 1 GB of RAM. Once logged in, you can explore the extensive library of games available on the platform. There are thousands of experiences to choose from, ranging across many genres. When you find a game that sparks your interest, simply click on its icon to view more details. The website will then prompt you to download and install the Roblox Player application, which is essential for launching and playing any game. This process usually takes less than 1 minute. After the Roblox Player has successfully installed, the game you selected will automatically launch. The player acts as a bridge, connecting your device to the specific game server where the experience is hosted. This seamless transition allows you to jump right into the action. You are now ready to explore the virtual world, interact with other players, and enjoy the unique gameplay mechanics of your chosen experience. Many games support up to 100 players simultaneously. Roblox offers an ever-expanding universe of content, with new games and updates appearing constantly. You can personalize your avatar with millions of clothing items, accessories, and animations, many of which are free or cost just a few Robux. Engage with the vibrant community by joining groups, chatting with friends, and participating in events. There are countless ways to express yourself and connect with others on the platform, ensuring endless entertainment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.